Mark. You're real good.
Did you ever look on the Ontario Ministry of Health website that says COVID-19 face masks do not prevent COVID-19?
Hey!
Right on their website. CDC says the same thing, and so does the WHO.
We don't use that word. You guys have your own virus. Your own lack of intelligence.
Don't get me wrong. If you want to wear a mask, go ahead, wear a mask. I have no problem with it. The problem I have is with you trying to force other people and trying to impose your beliefs on them.
Right.
Everyone should have the freedom to decide on their own.
Now, so
You're going to listen to some person tell you?
I'm going to listen to doctors who studied this topic. Yeah, I am going to listen to doctors.
So you don't do research or nothing, do you?
No, I do research of my own, but I also trust experts who are also experts on what
So
they're
the
experts
experts are telling you that this is recovery rate of 99.3% recovery rate.
Yep.
So why are you so fearful?
I'm not fearful. That's why I wear a mask, so I don't have to be fearful, so I live my life, which I do every day.
You just rather conform to what the government wants you to do?
Yeah, I'm a major conformist, you're right. That's definitely what I am.
Do you know how communism was started?